Preventing garage door derailment. Essential tips for homeowners. Worried about your garage door coming off track? In Southlake, Texas, it's a common issue that disrupts safety and daily use. Common causes: worn rollers, loose hardware, and misaligned or bent tracks are leading culprits. Accidental impact and broken cables also contribute. Warning signs: look for uneven movement, loud noises, or gaps between rollers and tracks. Signs your door may be off track. Potential dangers: a misaligned door can suddenly fall or damage other parts. Avoid operating it in this condition. Environmental wear: fluctuating temperatures and lack of lubrication accelerate wear and derailment risk. DIY maintenance tips: lubricate moving parts, tighten bolts, and clean tracks regularly. Test the door's balance periodically. When to call a pro: complex issues like cable or track repair need professional tools and skills. Don't DIY dangerous tasks. Final advice: if your garage door goes off track, act quickly. Contact a garage door repair expert in Southlake for safety and peace of mind.